All right, squad's back. We're doing a slow race. Keith's gonna put his in grand gear. I'm gonna put mine. I'm gonna start with nothing, but just regular drive. Now I'm gonna start with low gear. You do yours, and then I'll put it in 4 low. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna win! Or lose, technically. All right, Keith, let's back up. We lost. Keith almost stalled. So we lost in
What?
So we lost in
You lost.
I put it in drive. I didn't even put it in low. But it's gonna be the same thing.
Are you in your locker yet?
No, I don't need to.
So are you low now?
So now I'm in 4 low and low. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. He's gaining on us. He's gaining on us. He's just getting out, partying. Keith, I win!
I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cool to watch.
That is funny to watch. All right, let's do it again. Go. Oh, he's gotta have the lights on. No driver. I'd say they're really about the same.
Honestly, because I roll.
I guess you're just barely faster.
Yeah.
Because you're gaining a little bit. A slow race, but I had to be in 4 low, not just low. Keith won in low, in his low. So I'd say that almost is a tie because you won once and I won once.
Yeah, that is.
And you don't have 4-wheel drive, so I have 4-wheel drive, so it's like.
That slows you down even more than it does with me. So.
And I had to re-gear. You haven't, so I mean, I probably would have been faster. Probably would have been the same if I didn't re-gear.
Yeah. Okay, so Devin's got his locker locked now.
We gotta test it out.
Well, anyways, Devin's about to do a burnout with his locker locked.
We gotta test it out.
Yep.
Get behind it.
Ready? Woo! He's sent some boulders going.
Hey, thanks again. I've totally forgot when I turned on my dash that I had new LEDs. And also, the locker light works on the dash and right here. Freaking sick. Nothing like doing some editing in a blizzard or snowstorm. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Just a little bit of screwing around with Keith and my truck, doing a slow test. I only for some reason one of the videos, the rest of them are lost, of me doing a burnout and just flexing and a bunch of doing other stuff. Messing around with Keith. Probably some more videos of us messing around and joking around will be coming. A lot more detailed than this and a lot funnier than this, but just a tip of the iceberg. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.